We are back here in the last Marble Standings, hosted by the Burning Flares themselves. Championship is on a hunt today, and today we have event 10, the Cardboard Sprint. This is going to be a little bit slower than most Cardboard Sprints we have, but it's sure going to be an exciting one, no doubt. Knife Fighters still holds the lead, but look at that gap. That is like 23 points. Knife Fighters are not giving up this lead right now. They want to win. Last event, the Ketchups and Cheese Balls finally got their medal they've been waiting for. There we go. And this time, we'll find out who will win. A demonstration one for the Cardboard Sprint this season. See, very slow on the course, so lots of models will probably not make any moves for the lead in the races, but what can you get? The first heat, we have Burn from Burning Flares, Root from the Tree Trunks. We have Blah Blah, the Reservoir Team Blah, and Swiss from Cheese Balls. And Tree Trunks are in front. Team Blah is in second, but Team Blah went to first. And that's who's going to advance. Team Blah and Tree Trunks. Burning Flares and Cheese Balls are out, unfortunately. So that will not help in the championship hunt for Burning Flares. Now we got Spice, the captain of Red Peppers, Turner from Bronze Tigers, Flame, the captain of Flame Showers, and Coral from Seahorse and Lentils. And Red Peppers did not start. The Red Peppers did not start. But that's okay. He will get 2 consolation points for not finishing the course. Yeah, so this event, if you do get caught up, that's fine, because you still end up getting 2 points anyway. Now we've got Atlantic, Coral, Grass, and Nova, all captains here. Let's see which one of them will advance. Coral Reefs and Grasshoppers are in front, and that's who's going to advance. Oh, Galaxies went off the course! The Galaxies went off the course. Definitely no brownie points for them. Now, Cash from Moneyballs. We have Knight from Night Fighters, of course. Earth, the captain of Earth, and Ketchup, the captain of Ketchups. Then the Ketchups move on again. So far, yes they can. Can they keep it? Yes they can. And they will advance with the Night Fighters, of course. Got Earths and Moneyballs. Very slow. Like out of the gate there. So that's not going to do them any favours. For the point structure. Yeah, Burning Flares 9th, Atlantic's 10th, Seahorse and Lentils 11th, Moneyballs and Earth 12th and 13th, Cheese Balls 14th, Red Peppers 15th, Galaxy's dead last. Yeah, he will be trying to forget about this one. But here we go. Root, Coral, Flame and Grass. Who will advance to the final? Tree Trunks are in front, Coral in second. Oh, both Grasshoppers and Flame Showers went off the course. Then it will give Coral Reefs and Tree Trunks an easy advancement. Ketchup, Blah Blah, Knight and Turner. Who else will go to the final? Team Blah is in front, Night Fighters in second, and that's who's going to advance. Night Fighters and Team Blah. And I don't think I need to tell you who the 5th race is going to be. So we're going to go straight to the final. Blah Blah, Root, Knight, and Coral. Who'll get the gold? Coral in front. Can Night Fighters duck on the inside? Yes, they can! And the Night Fighters, out of all teams, gets the gold in the Cardboard Sprint. And this championship is just growing for them. Can anyone stop them? It's going to take a massive effort for that to happen. Not good at all. Anyway, we'll see you from the 11th event, which is going to be a brand new event here. This is actually going to be well, you will see.